Hello and welcome to today's video. Today I am creating a simple high bun, and this is a look that I created for my 5-year-old daughter who has shoulder length hair.
Do I look tired or not?
You do look a little bit tired, don't you?
Yeah, they got like pink eggs here. I haven't really had a good sleep.
This video is not designed to be a talk through tutorial, it's more a video of me doing my daughter's hair, but hopefully it's clear enough so that you can follow along. If there are some areas which you feel you need a little bit more guidance, then please refer to some of my other ballroom hair tutorials, which I will link in the description box below. The styling comb that I use in this video is quite difficult to get hold of, so I just wanted to let you know that I do sell them and I do ship them. that's it for today's video. I hope you liked it, and if you did, please show the love by giving it a thumbs up. I have more great content coming, so please don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications. And why not come on over and see me on my Instagram page for your daily dose of inspiration. Until next time guys, stay safe.